We always hear about new gadgets that make our smartphone experience even better. Whether it's a better sound system or a convenient way to hold your smartphone in place, there seems to be something for everyone. There are also devices that just make things cheaper and more convenient through your smartphone, so you don't have to head out and buy a bunch of expensive gear. We have a list of the coolest smartphone gadgets for 2021 that you want to get your hands on immediately. Number 12. DUOLINK speakers. This is a versatile pair of Bluetooth speakers that'll take your music listening experience to the next level. You can use them as one unit, or if you want, you can even split them in two for the stereo experience. When split, the pair can still work even when placed 22 feet away, so that gives you excellent range. But if you're not in the mood to blast your music for everyone to hear, this device has you covered. The speakers don't just play music, they also work as chargers for earphones. You can remove the earphones from inside, and the audio will automatically switch from the speakers to the earphones. If you put them back in, it'll switch to the speakers. With great battery life, this is an excellent device for audiophiles. Number 11. ZHIYUN Smooth X. Smartphones have made things pretty easy for amateur videographers. And here to make that even easier is the ZHIYUN Smooth X. Consider this, several devices in one. It's so versatile that you can call it the Swiss Army knife of gimbals. It's a gimbal, tripod, and selfie stick all in one. The Smooth X is small and portable. When folded, it's no more than the size of a door handle. You can unfold it and it'll look like a standard gimbal. It's very sturdy, so your videos and shots are never unstable. You can further attach a tripod, and even then, it can be extended an extra 26 meters. It can help you take some excellent shots, rotating in several different directions. The ZHIYUN Smooth X can automatically track a person in the frame and rotate along to keep them in it. You can take 180-degree panorama shots, and it will extend to give you ultra-wide shots to fit more inside the picture. Number 10. ADONIT Note UVC. Our smartphones are great, but they're also pretty filthy. They collect all kinds of germs on their surface, and that bothers a lot of people who like to stay clean. With the ADONIT Note UVC, you don't have to worry about that anymore. This sleek and modern stylus for touchscreens comes with a twist. It has two built-in UV lights to sterilize germs. Just 1 minute of use can kill 99% of germs, so you can keep your device clean and your mind at peace with regards to germs. Number 9. AMPERE cell. How convenient would it be if the same device that charges your phone could clean it too? The AMPERE cell is a UV bath device that does both. If you're looking for the charging feature, then just put your phone on the top and it'll wirelessly charge your phone in no time. But if you want to clean it, then just place it inside the enclosure and let the UV bath take care of things for you. This device is excellent for all the germaphobes out there. Number 8. NEXTDOCK 2. Turn your smartphone into a full-fledged laptop with this amazing device. The NEXTDOCK 2 can convert your small smartphone and turn it into a laptop for just $259. It comes with a full HD screen and full-sized keyboard. It has a very high-quality build to give you the best experience. Its massive internal battery makes sure that it lasts for ages. It also has an HDMI port so that it can be used as a portable TV to play games with your gaming console or to watch content with your Apple TV or Google Chromecast. So if you're on a tight budget and are looking for a laptop, then look no further. Number 7. DREAMGLASS 4K. This headset is here to transport you right to the future. Think of it as a monitor that's right in your face. Nowadays, it's more fun to watch on bigger screens, but they can be bulky and take up a lot of space. But the DREAMGLASS 4K fits on your head and gives the effect of a 200-inch screen with a 4K resolution display. It has an impressive audio system built in. That, along with its flexibility to display content in 3D, will give you an incredibly immersive experience. DREAMGLASS 4K can connect with all sorts of wired devices, including your smartphone, but you can also wirelessly stream from your phone too. You don't need to buy a giant TV to have an exclusive experience watching your favorite shows and movies anymore. Number 6. NEBULA Mars 2 Pro. This portable projector was designed with smartphones in mind. Now, you can turn any interior into a cinema with this awesome gadget. The NEBULA Mars 2 Pro has a built-in battery that can last up to 3 hours, and amazing 10-watt speakers for an excellent audio experience. The projection quality is excellent, and even a dark wall or light from a window won't ruin it, as it would a traditional projector. Number 5. BLUELOUNGE CABLEYOYO. Earphone wires get tangled so easily, and it's a total pain trying to untangle them. Plus, getting tangled too often damages them, and then they have to be replaced. This nifty little gadget is here to take care of that. You can wrap the wire of your earphones around it to keep it from getting tangled. Just unravel your wire when you need to use the earphones, and wrap them again when you're done. This device has a small magnetic disc in the middle of it that keeps your earphone in place. Pretty cool, right? Number 4. PRYNT Pocket. Polaroids are really cool, but their cameras can be pretty chunky to carry around. The PRYNT Pocket takes care of that and even gives you the option of editing your photos before printing them. You can attach it to your smartphone and print pictures straight from it, like an actual Polaroid camera. Edit the pictures you click with the app before you print them, and you can even reprint duplicate copies to give to your friends. Apply filters, frames, and even emojis. A cool way of preserving precious memories and keepsakes would definitely be with this incredible gadget. Number 3. LED charging cable. Who knew even charging your phone could get exciting? The LED charging cable is what makes that happen. It's a really cool charging cable that has glowing LED lights installed that make it look like electricity flowing inside the cable. It doesn't just look good, by the way. It can actually charge your phone twice as fast as regular chargers. And the cable can indicate your smartphone's battery level too. It's a durable gadget that's pretty cool to have in your room. Number 2. NANOHOLD. You can say goodbye to those chunky old selfie sticks for good with this multi-purpose gadget. Known as the NANOHOLD, it's as small as a credit card and uses nanotechnology to stick on your phone or tablet, after which you can stick it to any surface you choose. This device looks unremarkable, but it can hold up to 100 times its weight. You can stick it onto any surface, be it glass, plastic, or wood. It's compatible with all phones and tablets, so if you want to record a video but don't want to bother with a tripod, then just stick your phone to the wall with this. Or cook with ease while following a recipe by sticking your phone to the kitchen wall. This multi-purpose device is definitely something you'd want if you value convenience. Number 1. IMICRO Q2. If you're into photography and want to step up your game, then you might want to check this out. The IMICRO Q2 is an incredible feat of technology. A powerful, portable microscope that you can attach to your smartphone on the go. This stellar little device can magnify things up to 800 times and has a resolution powered down to 1 micron. It's compatible with any smartphone, and you can easily carry it around in your pocket. The IMICRO Q2 is super easy to use. It only takes a minute to stick onto your phone and configure it to see things that even the naked eye can't see. This includes cells and the scales on human hair. The quality of the images produced is on par with professional microscopes. It has adjustable magnification too, and there's less distortion compared to normal desktop microscopes. It's also pretty affordable at around $30. Alright, comment below which of these smartphone gadgets you thought was the coolest. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to TechJoint, and we'll see you in the next one.